Hi students of class 7th. Now today we are going to study the third chapter of civics, functioning of the state government. In this chapter we are going to study about some of the topics what is government, executive at the state level, state legislature, functions of the state legislature. So, what is government? A government is a set of people who have the power to make and enforce laws within an organization, group, or a country through customs, institutions, and laws. Government is the only institution in a country which can make laws and enforce them legally. Means that government has the power to frame laws and enforce them in a legal way. All government, whether in India or in any part of the world, have three basic powers: legislative power, executive power, and judicial power. Here we are going to discuss about the legislative power. This is the power to make laws and to frame public policies. Executive, this power is to execute, enforce, and administer laws. Thereafter, judicial power. This is the power to interpret laws, to determine their meaning, and to settle disputes that arise within a society. After that, state legislature. Before this, I want to tell you that there is in our country, whatever the government is in function, that is binomial government. Means one government is working at the center level, at the national level, and one in each and every states. So we are not going to discuss about the national or central government, just going to discuss about state legislature. A state legislative usually consists of the governor of the state and one house of the legislative called the Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Sabha is also known as Legislative Assembly. Some states have one house while others have two. Where there is one house, that is called Legislative Assembly, and where there are two houses, the upper house is called Legislative Council and the lower house is called Legislative Assembly. The states having only one house are called unicameral, and having two houses, that is known as bicameral states. Now, Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council. Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council is known as the upper house of the state legislature. The tenure means the time period of the members of Vidhan Parishad is 6 years, and after every 2 years, 1/3 of the members retire and fresh ones are elected. Hence, the Vidhan Parishad is a permanent house. Some members of the Vidhan Parishad are directly elected by the member of the legislative assemblies. Indirectly elected by the members of the legislative assemblies, some by local bodies some by high school teachers, graduates, etc. Some members are nominated by the governor from among people who have distinguished themselves in different fields like art, literature, social work, and so on. Now, the Vidhan Sabha are the legislative assembly. It is the lower house of the assembly which consists of the elected representatives of the people. They are elected directly by the people and are called the members of the legislative assembly or MLAs. Each and every MLA is elected from a constituency. The strength of the Vidhan Sabha depends upon the population of the concerned states. There cannot be more than 500 members in an assembly. It also cannot have lesser than 60 members at any time. There are some of the small states like Mizoram and Goa that have the assemblies with lesser than 60 members, but under the special provisions of our constitution. Thereafter, term of the Vidhan Sabha. The term of an assembly is normally for 5 years, the same as that of the Lok Sabha in the center. But sometimes, in the event of an emergency or a vote of no confidence against the government, the assembly is dissolved before completing its term and fresh elections are held. Qualifications. Any citizens of India who has attained the age of 25 is not holding any post of profit in the government, who has not been convicted by court with imprisonment of 2 years or more, 2 years or more, and who is of sound mind is eligible to become a member of the legislature. Leader of the legislature. Members of the legislative assembly elect the speaker and a deputy speaker from among themselves. The speaker and deputy speaker presides whenever the house meets. At times when order cannot be maintained, the speaker adjourns the house for a short while, or in extreme cases for the rest of the session. Functions. Among the many functions of the legislature, the most important are making laws and presenting the budget. Laws are made for those subjects that come under the state list, while the central government makes laws on subjects that are of national importance like defense, foreign affairs, banking, railways, etc. The state government makes laws on subjects of local importance like agriculture, trade, commerce, education, etc.